Hello guys, so today we're gonna talk about how to create a Google Sheet. So it's really simple, but maybe for people who are just starting with Google Drive there can be some issues. So first of all, you need to go to your Google Drive by typing drive.google.com, and then you need to log in with your account. So this is my account. I already created my Google Drive account and logged in. If you don't have your Google Drive account set up, you need to do that. It's really simple. You just follow the instructions. And then I see my home interface here. And in order to create a Google folder, Google Doc, Google Sheet, or Google Slides, you just click here and you can click on Google Sheet, and basically it will be created. So in this case, let's just name it. So you can name it like this, but just type in this case, this sheet was created in this folder. So in my home folder, I can see it here. If you want to create it in other folder, just go here inside and then click again new, and you will be added a new Google Sheet. Also, you can the same way you can create Google Form, Google Drawings, Google My Maps, Google Sites, and you can even connect more apps. Also some another basic stuff. So if you want to share with someone, you can just click here. You can change your link settings. So for example, you can click here and your link will be, if you choose public, anyone on the internet can find and access it, so be very careful with it. You can also change to link settings, so anyone who has a link can change this file. So imagine in your team or organization you can just share a link and people will be able to access it and edit it, or you can just turn it to specific people, but just by typing email. So you can just type some email, click send, and this person would be able to access and edit this file. So you can change settings here. So in this case, the person would be able to edit this file. So this is how it works. This is how you create Google Sheet. This is how you share them, and hope it helped. Thanks for watching.